Well, it's time. It's July time, and there's just the only dismantling of things to make it all nice and sexy and red, white, and damn blue, and that's exactly what we are gonna do. All right, so I just decided that with just a little bit of help and the majority of the things coming from my monthly and calendar stuff, I just wanted to get a little creative today. I haven't been using kits for a while, so on my monthly, but I haven't been using the washi, and I mean, I've got it, so let's use it. What do you say? All right, so I definitely love this star one, and I'm not sure how this is gonna go. So let's just start this out nice and nice, like this. I'm feeling like I can cover up this. So let me just readjust that and let's go. Good. I love the Star Spangled and Sassy sticker, so that's going in immediately. I don't want to have to worry about not being able to find a place for it. That one, 100%. This is very cute, and hopefully, I can get it off of the page. There we go. And hopefully it doesn't ruin the vibe, but I really wanted to put it right here. I think it'll ride. I think it'll do. Especially if I can pull in some of the other things that I have with it, right? So this will be fun. We can pull this right across here on the 4th. Nice, because we're gonna put date dots in. You know I'm gonna put date dots in. Oh, but look at that. Boom, July 4th. Like we didn't even know that whole sticker was there. Oh, why don't I put it down at the bottom so that it covers up the Independence Day part. Nice. All right, so we're gonna put this here too, cookout, because guess what? We're going to a cookout that day. Put that there. And a little dot to match. There we go. All right, the rest of this, we'll just wait a hot minute. I mean, I don't love these flowers, so I'm not entirely sure if they'll make it in. If they do, it would be over here, and I'm still not sure about it. Oh, maybe. All right, let's just put them because they're cute. They're not terrible. There we go. Okay. All right, date dots. Right here, right now. Ooh. Wow, look at that. God, she's beautiful, huh? Freaking gorgeous. Now, I think it's been long enough that we've been working out of this little thing, so let's get these pages out. All right, let's write some stuff, okay? Let's get some work things, let's get some events, let's get some things up in here. What do you say? I'm looking forward to this part. I've got a couple funky little labels that I'm not sure will fit, but we're gonna give it a shot. Let's see, will you fit? Oh no, not so much, huh? That doesn't. They're made for something else, clearly, but I mean, honestly, who cares if it's over a little bit? It may look a little fun to be not so perfect. So there's that. Pop this one up here because my kids are leaving on vacation with their dad, and I don't want them to. That's just facts. All right, we've got our cookout and everything there. This doesn't go here. It goes on the 16th, silly girl. And let's see. What else do we have? What else is going on? I don't really think there's anything else going on, guys. I kind of like it like that lately. Not a lot going on. All right, so J and K. And then we have a job here. Okay, work, classes, in, let's go. Bills, practices, and classes that are needing to be taught, all that jazz. Really, honestly, guys, I really enjoy this. I think it looks great. I have 0 complaints, and I am happy as a clam. So I think what we're gonna do is bop on over. I like to separate these weeks, by the way, like this, so that some of my notes like are directed at a week or the other one. Does that make sense? Like I know if I'm jotting a note in this area, that like this is for this week, it's for here. It just has a little separation there. No big deal. But what do you say? We hit up this sexy little thing real quick? Oh yes, oh yes. Okay, so here's what is going on. I don't know. Do I have a thing that says goals or anything? That's really what I was looking for, but I don't see anything, which is really quite a bummer. All right, so we need to... All right, this is it. This is how it's gonna go. This is as good as it's gonna get right here. I'm gonna do just list some of the things that we did. We'll dot it, make them look fresh to death. But guys, otherwise, this is done. I'm gonna add a little sass here. You know, I like to do these dash lines, and I always feel like it looks so cool. I don't know why. You may not think that looks cool, but I definitely like that little bit of accent. But we're done here. I'm not going to keep mumbling and stumbling and talking about things that really are irrelevant. Let's get this stuff back in my planner. What do you think? Sound good? Let's go. Oh, here it is. Nice, right? Yeah, I mean, this is as peaceful as it gets. We've got a little bit of practice, and my kids are going to Myrtle Beach for a little bit, but that's as good as it gets, and I love it. Let's see, do I have my punch here? I do, so we can just trim this corner up so it looks nice and sussy. Oh, did you see that? They went everywhere. These corners as well. I don't know how I missed that one, but guys, it's done. It's gorgeous. Look at it. Freaking gorgeous. Ha! Nice blank page for nothing crazy. And that's that. July, done. All right, check out my other Plan With Me monthlies, weeklies, all that jazz. And make sure you subscribe to my Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to be getting back up there with the giveaways for the birthdays. Guys, I can't lie. I missed a month or two. But it's okay. I'm back. I'm going to regress and digress and all of those things. I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to catch up, and it's going to be so great. All right, so you know exactly what to do. Make good choices. Be good people. Like this, subscribe it, and hit that bell for notifications because you don't want to miss a thing. Peace.